Giunsa pagkabalo ni Almira nga adunay Bitsioke diri sa Duma karon.
So, kato akong giingon is naka-follow ko sa page sa Facebook.
You
So,
know?
mo to nakita na ko nga nag-post mo nga diri mo
Bitsioke, yes. Okay, unsay kantahon ni Almira?
by Patti Smith, Sometimes Love Just Ain't Enough.
Sige, akong pangutana, ready na ba si Almira?
You ready?
Ready na, kana. Ready na ba mo diha? Ay, sa muragwa ka pa ni hapon, ready na ba mo diha? Kala, since ready na mo, ready na po si Almira, akong ihatag ang entablado sa Bitsioke. Palakpakan nato si Almira, oh, let's go!
Ops! Quick break. Beatzers! Amaze gud kayo mi sa inyong suporta nga gipakita diri kanamo. Daghan gud kayong salamat. Pero mas amaze mi nga 2% ra mong naka-follow sa ato ang Facebook page and gamay ra pud ang naka-subscribe sa atong YouTube channel. Manghinaot og mohangyo unta mi nga inyo haming tabangan pinaagi sa pag-like, pag-follow sa ato ang Facebook page and sa ato ang YouTube channel. Daghan gud kayong salamat. Dako kay nin tabang sa amo nga growth. And in return, paningkamutan namo nga tarungon ug i-improve pagyud namo pag-ayo ang amo nga show para kaninyong tanan. Daghan gud kayong salamat, Bidzers.
I don't wanna lose you, but I don't wanna use you just to have somebody by my side. And I don't wanna hate you, I don't wanna take you, but I don't wanna be the one to cry. And that don't really matter to anyone anymore. Like a fool, I keep losing my place, and I keep seeing you walk through that door. But there's a danger in loving somebody too much, and it's sad when you know it's your heart you can trust. There's a reason why people don't stay where they are. Baby, sometimes love just ain't enough. No, I could never change you, and I don't wanna blame you. Baby, you don't have to take the fall. Yes, I may have hurt you, but I did not desert you. Maybe I just wanna have it all. It makes us sound like thunder. It makes me feel like rain, like a fool who will never see the truth. I keep thinking something's gonna change, but there's a danger in loving somebody too much, and it's sad when you know it's your heart you can trust. There's a reason why people don't stay where they are. Baby, sometimes love just ain't enough, and there's no way home when it's late after night and you're all alone. All the things that you wanted to say, do you feel me beside you in your bed? There beside you where I used to lay. There's a danger in loving somebody too much. And it's sad when you know it's your heart they can touch. There's a reason why people don't stay who they are. Baby, sometimes love just ain't enough. Baby, sometimes love, it's just ain't enough. Oh,
Wow! Wow! Balik ka, wow! Grabe, huy! Huy! Wadan kong tiyo ato da, grabe. Nal, pilay atong ihatag nga score ni Almira ug ngano?
Ako ihatag siguro ni Almera, right?
Almira.
Is 10. 10 jud.
Ganong 10?
First pa lang niya so good na is marag bugnaw kayo ba kanang lamay kayo paminahon bitaw. Bugnaw kayong palibot sa hangin-hangin kayo na bugnaw kayong tingog. So 10 jud. Para na ako 10 jud.
San, pilay atong ihatag nga score ni Almira ug ngano?
Actually, I heard her voice is for me 10 and highly recommended for her to grow and to reach her singing.
Rate, from 5 to 10, how will you rate si Almira na kumanta bago lang?
Ang mararate ko sa kanya, 10. So, from the start pa lang, nandun na yung power ng voice niya. So, mas konting practice pa, mas magiging mas maganda pa. Yung may bibigay niyang talent sa singing.
Congratulations! Daog kag pa-premyo gikan sa Shosho!
thank you.
Congratulations!
Bidzers, kung kamo mohatag og grado, pila ka ha, ug ngano? Ug asa na pud mo ganahan nga mo bisita ang Bidzi okay? Just comment down below. Ug ganahan sad mo nga mo sponsor og episode, email us at info@bidzi.com. Ayaw kalimot og like, share, subscribe sa Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram ug Spotify para updated ka sa mga upcoming videos nato.